This is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 water flosser, and it's honestly become one of my favorite additions to my dental care routine. I love that it's cordless, rechargeable, and completely portable, so I can use it at home or take it with me when I travel, especially because it even comes with a travel bag and 4 different tips. The power on this thing is great. It has multiple pressure settings so you can switch from gentle to more intense depending on what you need. The water stream gets in all those places regular floss misses, and it's especially helpful for anyone with braces or tighter spaces. The design is sleek, and I have the black WP 582 model, and it's fully waterproof. So using it in the bathroom is super convenient. The battery life lasts a long time between charges, and the USB charging makes it easy to top off when needed. It's also ADA compliant, which just gives it that little extra confidence that it's a solid, well-made product. If you're looking for a cordless water flosser that's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for both home and travel, this Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 is definitely worth it. It keeps everything feeling fresh and clean without the hassle of traditional flossing.